The tomcat is back. Hey guys, so I'm here with a eating video and he's all over the place. He roams everywhere. Still haven't found where Callie has had her babies. I think they're down there, but like I said, she comes every day, morning, and nighttime, and noon whenever I'm here and not working. But anyways, he's already ate. He's come back to visit, hadn't you, buddy? Your tail's in the way. But anyway, so I'm here with a eating video, and I have Muscadines. I got the, I guess the great blackish colored looking ones. And then I have like the gold. Y'all, these are so good. Hang on. Okay, so I'm back. I look a hot mess because I've been out here working outside. I tore off some like tree branches and getting stuff around my chicken coop cleaned out. But anyway, so here these ones are the Muscadines black grapes, but they're purple looking to me, but they call them black grapes. I don't know why, but these are so good. I have longed to get these this year. I don't even think I got any last year. And I got these at Food City. Walmart normally carries some, but I've not seen them carry them in years. Or at my Walmart anyways. And these ones are the Muscadine bronze grapes. And these come from Langburgers, North Carolina. And if those fall, I'm gonna be ticked. And then we have these ones. These aren't Muscadines. It's the thumb cord table grapes. So I just had, like, when I got these, I was like, I have got to share this with them, because surely everybody knows about Muscadines, and if you don't, then you just need to try to find y'all some, because guys, they're so good. My chair's lopsided. Hang on. Oh goodness, I'm having difficulties here. So anyways, also have me a good old cup of coffee. I was craving coffee, and it's $7.25, but you know, this is a what is it, Krispy Kreme glazed donut coffee, and it's got peppermint mocha in it, because that's what I have. I bought some French vanilla creamer, but I wanted to put the peppermint mocha. So good. So good. You can see the moon there. Pretty. Anyways, I want to drink my coffee some, and then I want to go and eat these grapes here, and then I want to go in there and chill out and watch some TV. Y'all, I love being off on the weekends. I just love it. Not having to go into work. I'm hoping to be able to sleep in the morning. Okay, so these are not like your typical grapes. So when it's got like a hard shell on them, and you can eat the whole thing, but on the inside there's like seeds in there, and they can be bitter, but and they're so juicy. Let me show y'all. See, that's what they look like. And on the inside of them, they have seeds. So, y'all. They're kind of big seeds. And then this part you can eat. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Whenever I was a kid and would pick these things, the shell part was kind of stronger, and it would make your mouth itch. And like the smaller ones, like on the trees, like out and about, like in the wild and stuff, or in the woods, they're smaller and they're kind of stronger. These are sweeter. Mmm. Oh my. This is like your white muscadine. Well, these are bronze muscadines, but they remind you of the white, like grape juice, Welch's grape juice. Oh my gosh. And these were only $3.99 a thing. I have a feeling by Sunday, I'm going to be going back and getting more. And I think today I'm just going to sit and eat the shells and all because it's just so good. And the taste of these takes me back. I don't just sit and chomp the middle part because, like I said, them seeds, y'all, they be bitter. And the little ones, the little teeny tiny muscadines that I would get whenever I was a kid, I'd swallow the whole thing whole. Like I would like put them in my mouth, swallow the inside, chew it a little bit and swallow it, and then eat the shell. I know. It's about like me eating raw corn off the cob, like in the garden. Me and my brother used to do that too. Oh my gosh, that was so good. And I remember like running through freshly tilted up garden ground. Those were the days. It'd be big, great big old big, and the ground was just soft and fluffy and you could just run through it. This is what muscadines take me back to, just summer country, like right getting toward fall, like this one had a lot. These are pleasant. Look how big they are. This one's, whoo, Sarah. Oh, Mom, look at this. Just like them, I kind of swallowed the seeds. The seeds, oh well. My daddy used to tell me and my mama that if you swallowed watermelon seeds, they'll grow on your belly. And at one time I believed that and I was scared to death. I would always try not to swallow them. Some of those are tough, like the shells. So good. They're so juicy. That one had a lot too. So I remember like if you have a big old tree and you can't get to them, how do they do that? Or no, so you get a sheet, like a sheet or a blanket or whatever you have, and then you shake the tree or like where the vine's at, and then when they fall down, they'll get on that sheet, and you just like pick them up and put them in your bag. Yeah. These are so good. Mmm. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. My chicken got out and I had to go put her back in. I gotta trim her wings again. Or all of them, actually. But anyways, these are so good. And I'm probably not going to eat all these. My eyes were bigger than my stomach, I do believe. Did that make sense? I don't know. These are like super duper sweet. Oh, Tomcat's right here sitting watching me. You won't eat these, buddy. You look like you're sleepy. These are good and really sweet. These mosquitoes, y'all, are eating me up. I used to didn't get eat up by mosquitoes that much. It's like the older I get, the more they attack me. I don't know what's up with that. So I watched the second part of that, how do you pronounce it, Murdaugh documentary. That documentary is bizarre. If y'all haven't watched that, go check it out. If y'all like who was that? If y'all like watching like criminal documentaries and stuff like that, you'd be interested in that. But that documentary just blew my mind how all that crap took place. There's not been that many really good documentaries out here lately. What all documentaries do y'all like to watch, if you watch them? I'm gonna go find me something to watch whenever I'll get done with this. I'm just so tired all of a sudden. I love the sound of the crickets and the katydids and all that. Summer is so delightful. Even though it's been hot this summer, it's still been, like, I enjoy hearing all of God's creation. It's definitely been a pretty day today. I'm ready for cooler weather to come, though. I don't really care much for the freezing cold, but I do like it when it's like, you know, kind of like cool temperatures. Every day this week going into work, I would have to wear like a, not a hoodie, but like a, you know, like a flannel, because it was cold, y'all. I really wish I could find those kitty cats, the babies. I've been meaning to, like, maybe tomorrow when I come out here and feed her, stay out here and sit and then wait until she goes back. But normally she'll just sit until I go in, because I'll normally be sitting and petting her and all this kind of stuff. What time is it? 7:44. I wonder why I'm getting tired. Which I do a lot of running, like after work and all this stuff. So it's like when I finally get to sit for a minute or do anything, I'm just like exhausted. Do y'all ever do that? But yeah, the bed's gonna feel good tonight, just saying. And watching TV. Justice and oh, I'm itching. Justice and Katie went to a football game tonight. I went to Justice's football game yesterday. He plays so well. Like he does so good. I'm proud of him. He come out here earlier and said, "Mama, you got a notepad I can have?" Because after when football stops, his daddy's going to start taking him to work out, and he's wanting to document all this stuff. I said, "Yeah, I'll find you one." They're all growing up, but both of them boys are, well, Justice is taller than I am, but Isaiah is just like almost taller than me. Not quite yet, but almost. It's crazy. And it's crazy when you have your kids that have almost grown up, and it's like you don't know what to do with yourself. I'm like, psh. Which, I mean, I run a lot because Isaiah, he wants to go fishing all the time. But finally, the past 3 days, I told him, I said, "Son, I'm needing a break from that place." Because, like, it wears you out, especially after work. But, like, when your kids start growing up and everything, and it's like they don't need you as much, and it's weird. I hear something over there in the bushes. Ain't no telling, y'all. Ain't no telling. So my marigolds that I planted, I need to move those over here. They're over here along the side of the house here, but I planted them from seeds. And my mama would be proud of me. They're so pretty. They turned out real pretty. Hang on, we'll walk over there. What you doing? Birds up there flying, getting in the trees to sleep tonight. They went way up in there. They're all getting ready for nights. All of my stuff is almost gone. These are these right here. Oh my gosh, there's a spider. See it? Is that one of them rotten spiders? Those are carrots. Those should be ready to pull here soon. I'm gonna wait until it starts getting a little bit colder. And that's lettuce that I never ate. I broke them off and fed them to my chickens. I broke them off once. I need to break them off again. I don't know what that is. I planted it and have no clue as to what it is. I don't know what that is. That's bad, ain't it? Now, this big old girl. Oh, Lord, I'm going to come out here and pick some of these. But my tomato plants have done so good, my tomatoes, and they need to be picked because they're getting heavy and it's breaking down my thing. I need to get a bucket out here and start picking these. But look, they're everywhere. I picked and picked. Look at all those. They've done really good. If I had a better place to put this stuff, it would have done better, but I've done the best I can. and 2, it rained so much. This here was cucumbers that didn't make, no, that was green beans, I'm sorry. I did get a batch of those. That was cucumbers. What is that? Oh, a little butterfly. I don't think, I had a baby cucumber, but I didn't need it. This is about to die. I had a baby squash on it, and I don't know if I didn't water it, or I don't know what happened. I did get a big squash off of that, but I never cooked it. I have some bell peppers. These bell peppers done really good this year. And then there is my marigolds. Aren't they pretty? And these are, I need to water these. I don't know if they keep blooming or what. But, yeah. Aren't those pretty? It's dark out here. I don't give it justice, but they're real bright and pretty. The rotten spider. I just seen that the other day out here, but there used to be one at my apartment. Do y'all remember it? And it would sit and rot out there, and I'd have the light on. I think it's got him something. Hang on. My light's not coming on. There it goes. Oh, is that a, yeah, it's got him a moth or something. That's what it is. Okay, y'all, so I've got my light on my phone out here. I'm gonna have to pick some of these. But you can see how much it's spreading all the way over here. And this young boy that mows, he mows over everything, so I don't want him to hit that. Oh my goodness, what's happened to these? I love how those smell. Look at that. Can you believe I done this? I'm proud of myself. Mind you, it was by a plant. I got, uh-oh. But still, I've watered them and nurtured them, and when I thought they wouldn't want to make nothing, they did. And I'm always reminded by plants and stuff, like that's how our life is. Sometimes you think you're like in a dreary desert and you're just gonna not make it, and then you start getting out of it and you're like, okay. It's like it is with plants. It just takes a little bit of love and nurture and water. And with us, it takes a whole lot of Jesus. Oh, Lord. Next year, I'm hoping to have me a better, do some better stuff. Somebody's shooting off fireworks. Listen. Lord, have mercy. I wonder if you can see. Cat took off running. I stepped on them maters. Ooh, wee. I can't believe how good this is done. I'm not going to pick those ones. This is the Friday Night Live. You hear all that ruckus? I about fell. Oh my Lord, I got these house shoes on. I about fell out here. I'm clumsy as a bell. Clumsy as a bell. I didn't realize all this was like this. This must just happened this week. I probably need to pick some of those off. It's weighing it down. Oh no, it fell. Look how much, y'all. I better pick those too. Cause that one's, look at those. Look at all those cute babies coming on there. Wow. Ouch. Whew. Getting eat up. Guys, you never know what you're going to find on this channel. I go from eating grapes to picking tomato grapes. Eating Tommy toe grapes. Help me, Lord. Oh, Lord. I'm picking these Tommy toes and I'm trying to shell off these dead leaves. You can tell when you're getting older, when you're down on your knees and your freaking knees start hurting. It's rough. It is rough. Okay. Isaiah. Oh. What are y'all doing?
Are you making a video?
Yeah. Hey, come here and look at all these Tommy toes that's on here. There's a lot more that's got on here. Look. I seen your dad today at the Walmarts. He was out getting sinkers and stuff to take Braxton fishing, I think. Oh goodness, there's some more little babies. Oh, did you? Okay, there is blooms. That means there are going to be more Tommy toes. Oh, I love how those smell. I don't know what I'm going to do with this vine here. I need to prop them up on. Oh no. Hang on, guys. Okay, so I maneuvered that vine that was down here on the ground up through here. And some of the green ones fell off. I got to find them. I don't know if they hit the ground. There's one. Because these will ripen when they sit. Oh, there they are. Oh man, there's some more. I think that's good for now on this side. Let me pick that one off. I'm gonna plant some more of these next year. Ooh, there's a spider web. Ooh. These little babies. Hey guys, there they are. And I'm going to end this video here. Thanks for watching. And I've lost, oh, there's my coffee. Got a little bit left. But anyways, until next time, guys, I will talk to you guys later. And Opal's playing with her bone. Or her little piggy. What you got? What you got? Say bye, Opal. Say bye. Say bye. That light's on in your eyes, ain't it, Cece? Say bye. Say bye-bye. Go get it.